This video is about baked moong dal kachoris made with whole wheat flour. Yes friends, kachori are everyone's favorite, but when diet is on your mind, you can make them with whole wheat flour and bake them in your ovens to get the same delicious kachori taste. Let's start. Add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, 1 tablespoon of ghee and 2 tablespoons of semolina, fine semolina or fine rava. Mix the dry ingredients together. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Add 1/4 cup of water little by little and mix the dough well. You need a firm dough, not a soft dough like chapati dough. Keep the dough covered for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the masala. Add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and blend it into coarse powder. Soak moong dal for 4 hours and grind it into coarse paste in your mixer jar. Heat kadai and add oil and add the coarsely ground masala powder. Roast it well and then add your moong dal. Keep sauteing intermittently. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder. Mix it well and mash the bigger lumps while mixing. Add 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Dal gets cooked very soon, around 5 to 10 minutes is required. Now the mixture is ready. Add 2 tablespoons of water for the final touch. Now you can make small round balls and the filling is ready. The dough here is ready and rest it for 30 minutes. Divide the dough into equal parts. Make round balls and flatten the ball using your fingers. You can also use roller pin if you are not comfortable with hand pressing method. And shape them into kachoris. Gently press and flatten the dough ball. Don't use rolling pin for this method, otherwise the kachoris will not fluff up. They're going to become very flat. So just press using your hands. Place them in the baking tray. Apply some oil on both the sides. Flip them and apply oil again. Now bake the kachori at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Flip them again and again continue baking for 15 more minutes. So it might take 30 minutes to 40 minutes to completely bake them. If you're not getting the golden brown color, then switch on the broiler mode in your oven for just 1 minute and you will get the golden brown color you're looking for. Switch on the broiler mode only when the kachoris are completely baked, and this broiler mode will heat up the top coil and it's going to give the red golden brown color that you're looking for. Now your crunchy whole wheat baked kachoris are completely ready. Enjoy them with green chutney and tamarind chutney. I'm sure you're going to love them. You can store them in airtight container and consume it for up to 3 to 5 days. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching. Also hit the like button and this will encourage me to make more such recipes. Thank you.